This is Paul with Archer Services, and today I'm going to talk about our fertilizing program. This is a program that we are constantly working on and developing, changing. We work with a lot of our suppliers to kind of tell us, make sure that if there's anything new coming out to help us save the homeowner money and then in turn offer more product, or if there's just something that works better out there, or if there's just something going on for the area that we need to adjust for. So with our program, we developed it to work for both the turf and the beds. It's an all-around program that fertilizes everything. There's a lot of programs out there that just focus on the turf, but we want to make sure that we get the whole yard to perform for you. And our program, it also includes a liquid and a granular program. We do several liquid feedings throughout the year and several granular feedings throughout the year, and these feedings work in combination with each other. The liquid feedings give us a lot of quick results. They help with getting some nutrients in there a little bit better and to help work with the soils. And then our granular package also gives us more long-term feeding, helps us get some organic matter down into the soil, and helps keep the lawn just performing for a longer period of time and keeps it looking good all year round. So with our program, what we do is we have a set time frame for when we do liquid and granular treatments, and we go in and we do preventative things like pre-emergence and go in there and do weed control. But one of the special things that we do here at Archer Services is we monitor all of our properties. We do soil samples in different areas of town or neighborhoods, and we'll do random soil samples to see what's going on in the soil. What do we need to adjust for? What are the yards needing as far as there might be a deficiency in some areas of something? We might need to do pH adjustments. So we really keep a close eye on the property and make adjustments, and we get our fertilizer, our granular fertilizer, or the liquid packages that we put together. We specially blend those for the different parts of the year or for what's being needed at that moment in time for a lot of our properties. And going into what I spoke about with the preventative program, so at different times of the year we will put down a preventative treatment for, say, chinch bugs, grub worms, brown patch, all those different types of things. And what that does for you, the homeowner, is we head that stuff off before it happens, and that keeps us from having to use a lot of harsh chemicals in your yard. We really try and minimize the amount that we have to do, whereas if we were reactive or we just did a blanket program for everything and we're like, we want to know that we can set one program in place and it's going to take care of the yards and we're going to get the least amount of calls back on it. We really watch it and monitor it so that we can try not to have to do massive amounts of herbicide and spray weeds, or we don't have to do big treatments of chinch bug treatments. So we really try our best to minimize that for you, the homeowner, so that you can feel safe enjoying your lawn and not have to worry about what is out there in the lawn. And we also offer several programs that can work alongside our fertilizing program. We do aeration treatments, and then we do top dressing treatments, and we can also do the soil samples for individual properties, and then do a small package that will go along with help getting your yard to top-notch level.